Here I'm going to show you how to extend image using AI in mobile like a pro. Now, in order to extend photo, you must have Hypic. Now, let me show you how to extend image in Hypic. Now, open the Hypic app. Here inside the Hypic, click on Import. Now, select the photo you want to extend. Here, slide and click on Adjust. Now, click on Crop. Now, on the down section, you will see aspect ratio. Behind aspect ratio is AI Extend. Now, click on it. Now, select the aspect ratio by clicking Change Aspect Ratio. Now, select the aspect ratio you want to use. Click on it. Now, click on Generate. Wait for the AI to extend it. As you can see, the AI have extended it and see the selection. You see it. Now, after selecting the one you want, now click on Apply. You see it. Now click on this good icon on the side. You see it, and then download it. You see it. If you are onboarding this channel for the first time, consider liking, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more AI tools and tech related guides. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.